Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a recipe called Just 4 Chocolate Chip Cookies. That's literally the name. And that's all we'll be baking today is 4 chocolate chip cookies. You know, those moments you just want a chocolate chip cookie, but you don't have one, and you don't want to go out to get one. This is a way to make it yourself. It's a very, very small batch, and you don't have to share either. This recipe inspired this song. We're making 4 chocolate chip cookies for ourselves, and you can make them in a flash for yourself. Oh yeah, in a flash. Comes together so quickly. Again, very few ingredients in very small quantities. Just 4 chocolate chip cookies. That's it. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Brown sugar, light or dark, your choice. I've chosen dark. Butter. Beat together until light and fluffy. About a minute or so is what it'll take. With a small batch recipe especially, don't hesitate to experiment. Don't want to add vanilla extract in? Fine. Add in butterscotch extract or even rum extract. Just think of the possibilities. Don't want to add chocolate chips in yours? Add peanut butter chips, butterscotch chips. Heck, even cinnamon chips could work. Egg yolk, vanilla extract or extract of your choice. Beat together. Salt, baking soda, just a pinch, 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder because it just makes chocolate chip cookies better. Mix together. Add your flour. Stir together until there are basically no streaks. It's okay if there are a few. Add your chips of your choice. Scoop the cookie dough about 2 tablespoons each serving. At this point, you know what I'm going to say. Refrigerate your cookie dough. However, with this recipe, because it's only 4 cookies and it's a quick batch and you just want your chocolate chip cookie now, we're not going to deal with the refrigerator. We're just going to bake them straight away. Into the oven for 12 to 14 minutes until they're golden brown on the edges and a little bit unset in the middle, just slightly. Time's up, they're golden brown on the edges and slightly unset in the middle. Let's take them out. Yum! That was fast. Let them cool completely on the pan and then we're going to eat them. Look at this great chocolate chip cookie. Notice how it's not very thick and it's also not perfectly round. This is because it was not refrigerated, but that's okay because this was a quick batch recipe for just 4 chocolate chip cookies. So it's always in the taste. Let's take a bite. This is a fantastic chocolate chip cookie. I was able to add espresso powder in it. Feel free to change up the ingredients in yours too and make chocolate chip cookies whenever you want. Yum. If I can make just 4 chocolate chip cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And also don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.